Hello everyone, Guilherme from the Infinity team, and in this video we'll see how to combine data entry using Infinity Forms with Qlik AutoML. This demo is based on the example from the book Machine Learning with QlikSense. So we want to predict the price of houses in California. We have a data set with the average house age, average income of the block, population of the block, rooms, and some other variables. So what we did first was to create an ML experiment, and Qlik did basically all of that by itself. It ran some models. Then we were able to use this model here and deploy it so we could use that with our analytics side. So with this model created, we can go back. What we see here in gray is the test database, and what we see in orange is prediction. So what we did here with Infinity Forms was a way to insert data from the front end. So in the script, we can combine the test database with whatever we are inserting there, and everything will be here calculated on the fly, and we can create simulations with that. So let's say that we need here a way to input data. Here we have the single entry, and the language is set to English. It will automatically create an ID for this entry, and we can enter the latitude, longitude, and answer all the other questions. What's the average age in years of the properties of the block, and all these other ones. What we want here is to calculate the estimated value. So let's see how this works. I will copy one of these entries from here, from this list, which is our test database. I'll paste it in here, and we have basically all the variables except for the estimated value. Now I'll click here in recalculate. This will send the values to the model and retrieve the answer with the estimated value. So based on all these parameters, this is our estimated price. Now we can even create simulations and change the values from here, recalculate, and see the changes. And if you need the same kind of functionality but for multiple rows, we also created another example here for the same purpose. And in this example, I'll add here 5 different rows, copy from our test database, paste it back here. And now when we click in recalculate, we'll receive in some seconds the simulations. In a real case, you can also change the values. So let's say that you don't agree with this value and you want to change it. You can also put it in here manually. Click here in recalculate. And here we see the value that we just changed it manually. So we can combine Infinity Forms, Qlik AutoML, everything in one app to create simulations and predictions.